Okay, so hey guys, so this is my video. I last posted maybe a week ago, so hope you like this one.
When are those husband birthday shit? Okay, pull it.
Okay. Now, those tiny hands are my sister's. She was helping me. Okay, I have no idea what I'm waiting for here. Ooh, shiny. I feel like that was my real reaction, saying ooh, shiny when I first saw it. Okay, so I'm just laying out all the stuff that came in it. I did not open the strap right now. I'm gonna be opening that later. Okay, so now I'm just setting it up, which is not that much fun. So I'm just gonna speed through that. Now I'm just setting up the activity thing. Now just thinking, this took so long. Okay, now just everything that it came, just learning about it. I mean the basics. Okay, now it is all done and it turned on. Now I'm just gonna go faces and select one. I ended up choosing this earth one and ended up adding it. Okay, now I'm just exploring it. Specifically the walkie-talkie feature. Okay, and that's the end of this video. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you when I post another video. Bye!